Hey everyone, what is up? What is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well. Let's get this video started off in the right direction. Cardano family, drop that ADA down below in the chat. Best way to get this content out to others here on YouTube, as well liking and subscribing to the channel. Okay, that is one way to also keep you informed of what's going on every day within Cardano and in crypto. But let's get down into it. Enough with that. Let's talk about Cardano. Okay, big movers here across the board within crypto, but Cardano, I want to touch upon their price action on the day. All right, so let's get down into it. And obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. Okay, we're seeing a trend across crypto, and you could see where we're seeing a lot of price increases across the board. Okay, Bitcoin over 42K, Ethereum over 2100. But the trading volume has decreased a little bit. So prices increasing, trading volume decreasing in a more substantial note, kind of causing some eyebrows raising. Okay, but if we look at Cardano, the steady climb that we've had over the last month, very, very good stuff. Hitting over that 40 cents psychological threshold. And if you guys watch my videos, I told you guys I've been buying Cardano since a quarter. So a lot of serious traders out there in crypto would just be taking profits right now, but I have a long-term perspective within ADA. Okay, we're talking 10 years, not 10 days. That's just how I feel. Probably my largest holding in my wallets. I actually forget where a lot of those wallets are, to be honest. So that just shows you my intent to sell Cardano. But all jokes aside, I know exactly where they are. But let's get down into it. And without further ado, this is what I'm talking about within Cardano in terms of price outlook. Okay, they're at a very pivotal juncture when we talk about a lot of trend lines being formed, seeing some resistance. This 40 cents level is very huge. But we all know if we can test these waters, especially with a lot of golden cross patterns being formed on the charts. For those of you that do not know a lot about technical indicators, just to put it briefly, you hear about moving averages. Okay, so shorter term and a longer term, when they begin to cross over, it forms a golden cross, and that will suggest that bullish divergence. Okay, but a lot of cryptos essentially are showing some overboughtness when we talk about the RSI surrounding these levels. And especially with Cardano, with this oh so important 40 cents psychological threshold. Okay. But here's the big but, guys. If we do have a bullish divergence crossing over all their, all of these moving averages, get some tailwinds coming about. I mean, what better conditions than Bitcoin just continuing day in and day out? Haven't really got that pump from Cardano that other cryptos have experienced. But in the next month or so, if we don't get a huge tax harvesting season sell-off, a correction, if you will, which possibly could happen with Bitcoin, that's where we could look to see Cardano get above 60 cents, all the way up as high as 80 cents possibly on the charts. That's something where I look for in the next coming months or so, okay? But that's where we could look for that quick correction. All right. But it's all basically TA. Nobody has a crystal ball. But Cardano really, really does look nice when we look at these moving averages. But it does look more bearish in the shorter term. But I truly think 60 cents for Cardano is sooner than we think. That's my personal opinion, not financial advice, like I said, guys. And if you were listening to me earlier in this video, for my holdings, it really doesn't matter because I'm not in the position right now to try to time up the markets. We're about to enter the next bull cycle with that potentiality on the table. I'm not going to be swing trading any Cardano like I did in the past, say 2022, just because of the fact that I don't want to miss out. Okay, I have a lot of holdings of Cardano that I bought at in the 20 cent range. So firmly looking for that to get above $1 and beyond. I know a lot of you guys watch my videos. I still don't understand why. You watch my videos only to write comments that Cardano will go to zero. So that's not a good thing. That's not healthy. It's good for my channel, but it's not healthy for crypto. There's a lot of positive energy out there in the world. We need to embrace it embrace it all, especially with crypto, because these communities are what builds wealth. We've seen it. We've seen a lot of millionaires being made from crypto. Cardano is no exception. And let's try to focus that energy into the next leg up, all right? And I think we all will be in a better spot, not just mentally, physically, but financially. Okay? All good stuff. I hope you guys are all doing well. I appreciate everybody tuning in, watching these videos. It really does mean a lot. Remember to subscribe on your way out. I thank you all, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everyone.